Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I make this simple and spicy homemade butter. So if you are interested, stick around and watch this video and see how I make this homemade butter. So guys, I'm going to be using 1 liter of heavy cream, and also I'm going to be using my mixer that you're seeing here. So if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please, what are you still waiting for? Subscription is a free, you don't need to pay any money. And also remember to hit that notification bell, the icon you're seeing on the screen. Just hit it. In that way you will see all the videos that I'm going to be uploading in this channel. I love you all guys. Please support this channel. Thank you so much. Now I'm pouring my heavy cream in my mixer. I'm just going to work on it. As you can see, the cream has started forming. Just leave your mixer to do the work. Time to time, just check on it. So guys, this is the liquid that comes out of the butter. I'm going to make use of it. You can use it to cook rice, beef meat and other things. So now I'm just going to leave the butter to settle down for some minutes. So guys, as you can see, we have a beautiful and nice butter. You need to squeeze the water out of the butter so that it will make your butter to last long. So I'm just going to divide it into 2 parts. I'm just going to leave this one as just the normal simple butter. I'm just going to wrap it and set it aside. So this is the other part. I'm going to spice it. You can use any spices of your choice to make this part. So I'm putting oregano, garlic, black pepper, and some parsley, and I'll add a little salt. I'm just going to mix everything together. Guys, this one is so good, especially if I want to make some roast beef, I want to make some rice. It's so tasty. Try this one, try it out. Use any spices of your choice. It's so good. So this one, I'm just going to store it and leave it in my fridge or freezer. Anytime I want to make use of it, I'll just go into my freezer or my fridge and bring it out and make use of it. So guys, as you can see, it's very easy to make. You can try your own out at home, especially this time that we are forced to be indoor. We need to be creative, try things out, things you know and things you don't know, just to keep yourself busy. So guys, try please as much as possible to stay indoor. Remember to always wash your hands. Don't put your hands in your nose, in your eyes, in your mouth. Let's try and keep our home clean. When we try all these things, we'll be safe from all these problems. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel, and also remember to hit that notification bell. You see the icon on the screen, so that anytime I upload a videos, you never miss any of them. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.